How to make 3D text in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can make 3D text in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. First, import any video or any image that you want to edit in Capcut, and for that you have to click this import and then click this plus sign and add it to the track. Now go to this text option and click this plus sign. Once you add the text, you have to just type in the text that you want to add. For example, for a demo, let's add this 3D text over here, and then have to just adjust it by dragging this box. And now go to this tracking section, and here choose this motion tracking and choose your preferred direction over here, and then turn on and enable the scale and distance by clicking these options and turn them blue. And then click start. And once the tracking is complete, you can also adjust the size of the text by dragging it over here. But if you want to keep it low, you can just put it over here. And then you have to go to the text and select the text. Just select the text and then you have to go to this effects option. And here you can choose the 3D effect that you like. And that's how you make 3D text in CapCut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.